Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to make linear equation solver using OpenOffice Calc. In my worksheet, there are five sections. There are six sections: matrix to solve, determinant, determinant dx, determinant dy, and determinant dz. So, on the matrix to solve section is where you put your data, put your matrix that needs to be solved. And for instance, I already created the 768 matrix 10 7 5 10 5 8 matrix xyz, and the result is 94 91 on 103. So this is basically that the matrix that will process using Kramer methods on this worksheet. So to get the determinant, you copy basically all the matrix to this uh, matrix, and then uh, uh, add copy the first column to this orange, and copy the second column to this orange, this column to this orange, and then do the multiplication of the diagonal plus the second diagonal on beside the first diagonal, and the third diagonal beside the second diagonal, and then minus the bottom diagonal, first bottom diagonal, and multiply it by the second beside diagonal, and minus multiplied by the third diagonal from the bottom. So the result is this. This is for the first diagonal, and this is for the multiplication of the of the second diagonal. This is for the third diagonal, and this is for the first diagonal from the bottom. It is 10 times 7 times 8. It is 170, 116, and then the diagonals, the second diagonal from the bottom is 5 times 5 times 10 times 7 is 175, and the last diagonal from the bottom is 8 times 10 times 6 is 480, and then the d is the result from adding this together, and minus this and minus this and minus this, you get the minus 32 133. And for the determinant x section, you you insert the result to this second column, and then put the second and the third column is the same with the matrix, and then copy the first column, that is the result in this case of determinant x, and copy the second column to the orange, and do the same multiplication here and here for each diagonal, and do the second diagonal also like just like determinant, and then total it, plus 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 and minus, and you get 100, you get but you get minus 492, and the x is from dividing one minus 492 with the d 100 minus 123, you get 4. And for the determinant y, you insert the value of 94, 91, and 103 to the second column, and then insert the same matrix value for the first column and the third column, and then copy the first column to the orange section, and then copy the uh, second column to the orange section, and you do the diagonal multiplication, and you do the diagonal multiplication, and then you for the value of the you need to add this, and subtract this, you get minus 316, and for the value of y is you divide dA with the value of d, that is basically divide minus 316 divided by minus 123, you get 3. And for determinant z, you get the value of 90, put the insert the value of result for to the column, the third column, then 94, 91, and 103, and put the uh, the column 4, the column 1 from the matrix, and put the value of column 2 from the matrix, and copy the value of column 1 and copy the value of column 2 to the orange, and do the same diagonal multiplication, and do the same diagonal multiplication, and plus this, and to get the dz here, the dz value here, you get plus this, and minus this, and minus this, and to get the z value here, you divide the dz with d. So basically we divide minus 738 divided by minus 123, you get 6. So the value of the solution of the value of x, y, and z is 4, 3, 3, and 6. So I now already put the linear equation on Wolfram and alpha to check, and you can click compute now. It will get the same result. So the result is 10x4, and y is 3, and z is 8. So we get the same result. So basically this is telling that our worksheet is working. So I will post the video. I will post the upload to this worksheet, so you can download. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thank you.